Okay, now I am happy that the internet is back. The internet is back. So let's start this. By the way, this is the real day, the April 28, 2024. This is the actual. Earlier, that was a battle mode. Let me show you a bit. Here in the battles, that's what we did earlier, right? Now, this is belongs to the daily targets. Right, so let's do this. April 28. So first, create a circle. So we have a box here, a rectangle, a square to be exact. So all we need to do, since it has already a size, a 100 pixel by 100 pixel, the horizontal, the vertical and the horizontal, what we need to do here is that create this a circle. Let's transform this box to a circle like this. For the radius 50%. Easy, right? Like just one line. You can change the shape of an element. So second thing we need to do here is to adjust the border. I mean the background color. You see our background color is in default, which is white. We need it to be a color blue. So here I will copy the hex color and I copy this, hold, and of course we need to select the body. Body means the background, just what implies body, and background. Paste our copied hex like that. If you are confused about this is just like the color in number, in a number form. You can just put blue here like that, or green, but you know the difference between a string or a word and a number is that this number form of color is exact and cannot be changed in different website or in a platform. Perhaps the green here is different than the green there, just like that. And now that we have successfully changed the background color, let's put this circle in the middle. So to do that, our basic, this is from day one. Change the position to absolute, margin, auto, top 0, left 0, basically the whole sides, and right 0. Put to 0. Then we have a center, just 3 lines. Then let's put let's change the color of the circle to white like that. So we have now a centered circle. So one thing I want to do here is to change this selector. This is div. This is not self-explanatory. I will specify this by naming it a circle. Then copy this class, and instead of the element right here, this div is an element. Let's change this to class. So to do that, dot like a point and the circle right here. Oops. Then let's create this top vertical like oval shaped. First, let's create a rectangle that's a long rectangle, a vertical rectangle. So we have to name this rect1 for rectangle 1 and rect2 for rectangle 2 here. So first is this rect1. What we need to do here, what we can do here is copy this circle. I know there are two circles right now. we name this circle to rect1, and then put this on the top. So we need to push this to the top. To push this, just apply a negative value here to the top to push this. 300, like that. If I reduce the negative, if I add a value here to 50, something like that, of course, and adjust this to the left side. Of course, also negative, so that it will push to the left side. I know this camera is mirror, so right now I'm pointing to the right side, but in my camera it is pointing to the left side. So I may look dumb, but this is for the tutorial. So to do this, apply the value 100, maybe 150 or something like 200. Yes, and reduce the width. Okay, and for now let's comment this border radius like that, so that we have a clear rectangle here. And I see it is over to the left, so let's pull this to the right a bit, 190 a bit. 190, yes, 190 is perfect. And adjust, add the height, add the height, add, add more, maybe 300, like that. 300 is enough. Then it's time to border radius. Now this is not looking good because the radius looks narrower. Instead of percent value, we can change this to pixel value, that. And yes, it's perfect. Now copy this rect1, and as you remember earlier, we already did the rect2, so copy the rect1, paste the rect2, and shift tab to backward to arrange. Then rename this to rect2, and if you want to put this rect1 to the bottom, we can do here a invert sign, the negative, the top position, make this positive like that, and of course the left side we can also put positive, and just like that we have the copy, the output. Okay, submit this.